Good day, our valuable viewers, thanks for making it beyond the news. I am Orissa Campbell, children's advocate and founder of Hear the Children's Cry. Betty Ann Blaine is calling on the nation to come together and address the damaging culture exhibited by many of Jamaica's youth. Blaine's comments follow the beating of Tyree Green, an autistic student at Denham Town High School, by two of his schoolmates last week.
It's an everyday thing at school. Everyday thing at school. I'm very cut up about it. I see justice in my little brother. Because my little brother, my mother don't even know. Because my mother get too stressed. She live on her bed. She don't even know where I'm going. We can't even make sure because we don't want she get a third stroke.
Blaine expressed concern that incidents of this nature are becoming more prevalent and are often viewed as a form of entertainment. Blaine stated that the root of the problem lies in the fact that Jamaican children and teenagers are exposed to a steady diet of violence from a young age. She believes that violence is glorified in the media and in social media, and that children who are accustomed to violence in this way will often become violent themselves. Blaine emphasized that addressing this issue requires a united effort that includes parents, as well as interventions for young parents and children. While acknowledging that there are households where children are raised properly, Blaine argued that violence is a developmental process that starts in early childhood. She also stressed the need for more education about caring for persons with disabilities, given that Tyree Green is autistic. Blaine pointed out that Jamaica still lacks respect and compassion for persons with disabilities, which is a problem that needs to be addressed. Blaine believes that the solution to curbing violence among youth lies in instilling love. She argues that most of these children want love and that society needs to find a way to bring back love into the homes and communities. Blaine also believes that the violence seen in schools is a reflection of the violence in homes and communities, and that finding a way to curb this is essential. Stay up to date with the latest news and find solutions to current issues by following Beyond the News on Instagram and YouTube. Our concise, step-by-step approach to news reporting offers solutions to the challenges we face today. Join our community to stay informed and engaged.